What is artificial intelligence? AI, definition and overview. Explain AI as the simulation of human intelligence by machines, particularly computer systems. Differentiate between AI, machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. Discuss the history of AI, from early philosophical discussions to modern-day developments. Types of AI, narrow AI, weak AI. Explain how it performs specific tasks, e.g., voice assistants, recommendation algorithms. General AI, strong AI. Discuss the concept of machines that possess human-like intelligence. Superintelligent AI. Speculate on AI that surpasses human intelligence. Importance and impact of AI. Discuss how AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. Highlight AI's role in daily life, from smart devices to social media algorithms. History and evolution of AI, early concepts and pioneers. Discuss the origins of AI in the works of philosophers and mathematicians like Alan Turing and John McCarthy. Explain the significance of the Turing test, the AI winters and revivals. Explore periods of high expectations followed by disillusionment in AI development. Highlight breakthroughs like Deep Blue, Watson, and AlphaGo. Modern AI revolution. Discuss the resurgence of AI with advancements in machine learning, big data, and computational power. Mention key milestones like the development of neural networks, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. Core concepts and technologies in AI, machine learning, ML. Define ML and explain its importance in AI. Discuss types of ML, supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning. Provide examples of ML applications, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Neural networks and deep learning. Explain the structure of artificial neural networks, ANNs. Discuss deep learning and its role in processing large datasets. Highlight applications like autonomous vehicles, facial recognition, and language models, e.g., GPT. Natural language processing, NLP. Define NLP and explain its importance in human-computer interaction. Discuss key NLP tasks like language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. Provide examples of NLP in everyday use, such as virtual assistants and language models. Computer vision. Explain how AI interprets and processes visual data. Discuss applications of computer vision, such as object detection, facial recognition, and medical imaging. Robotics and AI. Discuss the integration of AI in robotics for automation and precision tasks. Provide examples like manufacturing robots, drones, and autonomous vehicles. Applications of AI in various sectors. Healthcare. Discuss AI in medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Highlight examples like AI-driven radiology, robotic surgery, and patient monitoring systems. Finance. Explain AI's role in fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and financial forecasting. Discuss how AI is transforming banking, insurance, and financial services. Education. Discuss the use of AI in personalized learning, grading systems, and educational tools. Highlight the potential of AI in improving access to education globally. Transportation. Explore AI in autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and logistics. Discuss the future of transportation with AI, including smart cities and connected vehicles. Entertainment. Discuss AI in content creation, recommendation systems, and virtual reality. Highlight how AI is shaping the future of gaming, movies, and music. Ethical considerations in AI, bias and fairness. Discuss the issue of bias in AI algorithms and its impact on decision-making. Provide examples of biased AI outcomes and the importance of fairness in AI development. Privacy and security. Explain concerns about data privacy in AI applications. Discuss the implications of AI surveillance, data breaches, and the need for robust security measures. Job displacement and the future of work. Explore the potential for AI to replace jobs and the need for reskilling the workforce. Discuss the role of AI in creating new job opportunities and industries. AI and human autonomy. Discuss the ethical implications of AI decision-making in areas like healthcare, law enforcement, and finance. Highlight the importance of human oversight in AI systems. Regulation and governance. Explore the need for AI regulation to ensure ethical and responsible development. Discuss global efforts to create AI policies and frameworks. Challenges in AI development, technical challenges. Discuss the limitations of current AI technologies, such as data dependency, interpretability, and scalability. Highlight the challenge of creating general AI and understanding AI behavior. Data quality and availability. Explain the importance of high-quality data for AI training. Discuss challenges related to data collection, labeling, and bias. Computational power and resources. Explore the demands of AI on computational resources, energy consumption, and infrastructure. Discuss the role of cloud computing and quantum computing in overcoming these challenges. Future trends and the potential of AI in everyday life. Predict how AI will become increasingly integrated into daily activities, from smart homes to personal AI assistants. Discuss the potential for AI in enhancing human creativity and productivity. Advancements in AI research. Explore emerging AI technologies, such as generative models, reinforcement learning, and AI-driven science. Discuss the future of AI in solving complex global challenges like climate change, pandemics, and space exploration. The singularity and beyond. Discuss the concept of the technological singularity and its implications. Speculate on the future relationship between humans and AI, including collaboration and coexistence. The role of AI in creative arts, AI-generated art and music. Explanation. AI isn't just about logic and data, it's also making waves in creative fields. Discuss how algorithms are now capable of creating art, music, and even literature. Mention AI tools like DeepArt and OpenAI's DALL-E for visual arts, or AIVA and JukeDeck for music composition. Examples. Show examples of AI-generated art and music, highlighting how these works blur the line between human creativity and machine learning. Discuss whether these AI creations can be considered true art and what this means for artists. AI in storytelling and scriptwriting. Explanation. AI is also being used to write scripts and generate narratives. Tools like GPT-4, or the model you're using, can generate stories, plot ideas, and even dialogue for films and video games. Examples. Discuss how AI has been used in the film industry, like in the short film Sunspring, which was written entirely by an AI. Explore the implications of AI co-writing with humans and how it could revolutionize the entertainment industry. AI and human-computer interaction, HCI, natural user interfaces. Explanation. AI is significantly improving how we interact with computers, moving from traditional interfaces like keyboards and mice to more intuitive ones. Explain how AI-driven interfaces such as voice, gesture, and even emotion recognition are creating more natural and seamless interactions. Examples. Discuss virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, gesture-based controls like those in gaming systems, and emotion-sensing AI that adjusts responses based on user mood. AI in virtual and augmented reality. Explanation. Explore how AI is enhancing virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences by making them more immersive and responsive. AI can generate realistic environments, characters, and interactions in real time, adapting to user input. Examples. Highlight applications in gaming, training simulations, and social VR platforms where AI plays a crucial role in creating believable, dynamic virtual worlds. AI in the exploration of consciousness, AI and cognitive science. Explanation. Delve into how AI is being used to study and model human consciousness. Cognitive scientists and AI researchers are collaborating to better understand how the mind works by creating AI models that mimic cognitive processes. Examples discuss AI models that simulate aspects of consciousness, such as learning, memory, and decision-making. Explore philosophical questions about whether an AI can ever achieve consciousness or if it's merely simulating it. Philosophical implications of AI. Explanation. Engage with deep philosophical questions surrounding AI, such as the nature of intelligence, the possibility of machine consciousness, and the ethical considerations of creating sentient machines. Examples. Explore thought experiments like the Chinese room argument or the implications of the singularity, where AI surpasses human intelligence. Discuss what it means for AI to have intent or desires, and whether these are purely mechanical or something more. AI in social and economic systems. AI in governance and policy making. Explanation: discuss how AI is being used to assist in governance, from policy analysis to predictive modeling for social issues. AI can process vast amounts of data to help governments make more informed decisions. Examples: highlight the use of AI in urban planning, resource allocation, and even in predicting the outcomes of elections. Discuss the potential benefits and risks, including concerns about transparency and accountability. AI and economic inequality. Explanation: explore how AI might widen or reduce economic inequality. While AI can create economic efficiencies and new wealth, it also risks exacerbating job displacement and income inequality if not managed properly. Examples: discuss the potential for AI to automate low-skilled jobs, leading to greater unemployment in certain sectors, and how AI might be leveraged to create new opportunities and industries. Consider the role of Universal Basic Income, UBI, as a response to AI-driven economic changes. AI in environmental sustainability. AI for climate change mitigation. Explanation: discuss how AI is being used to address climate change, from optimizing renewable energy sources to monitoring environmental changes. AI can analyze complex data sets to predict climate trends and suggest effective mitigation strategies. Examples: highlight projects where AI is used for climate modeling, optimizing energy grids, or reducing waste. Discuss the potential of AI in enhancing conservation efforts, such as tracking endangered species or monitoring deforestation. AI in smart cities. Explanation: explore the concept of smart cities, where AI is integrated into urban infrastructure to improve sustainability, efficiency, and quality of life. AI can optimize traffic flow, reduce energy consumption, and enhance public services. Examples: provide examples of cities that are adopting AI to become smarter and more sustainable, such as Singapore or Barcelona. Discuss the benefits of AI in urban planning and the challenges of implementing these technologies on a large scale. AI and human health beyond medicine. AI in mental health. Explanation: discuss how AI is being used in mental health, from chatbots that provide therapy to algorithms that can predict mental health issues before they become severe. AI offers new tools for early diagnosis and treatment of mental health conditions. Examples: highlight applications like Wobot, an AI chatbot that offers cognitive behavioral therapy, or AI systems that analyze social media activity to predict and prevent suicides. AI in wellness and lifestyle. Explanation: explore how AI is influencing wellness and lifestyle, from personalized fitness plans to diet recommendations. AI can analyze an individual's habits and health data to offer customized advice that promotes overall well-being. Examples: discuss AI-driven wellness apps that provide tailored fitness routines, sleep recommendations, or stress management techniques based on user data. Consider how AI might revolutionize personal healthcare by integrating with wearables and IoT devices. AI in the ethical development of autonomous systems. Ethics in autonomous vehicles. Explanation: autonomous vehicles are one of the most visible examples of AI, but they also raise significant ethical concerns. Discuss the challenges in programming ethical decision-making into autonomous systems, such as the trolley problem in autonomous cars. Examples: explore real-world scenarios where autonomous vehicles must make life and death decisions, and discuss the moral responsibilities of developers in creating these systems. Consider the implications of widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles on society. AI in autonomous weapons. Explanation: delve into the controversial topic of AI in military applications, particularly autonomous weapon systems, AWS. These systems can make decisions about the use of lethal force without human intervention, raising significant ethical and legal questions. Examples: discuss the ongoing debates around the development and use of AWS, including the potential for AI-driven warfare. Explore international efforts to regulate or ban autonomous weapons and the ethical dilemmas involved in allowing machines to make life and death decisions. AI in predictive policing and justice systems. AI in law enforcement. Explanation: explore the use of AI in predictive policing, where algorithms analyze data to predict where crimes are likely to occur and who might be involved. While AI offers the potential to make law enforcement more efficient, it also raises concerns about bias and civil liberties. Examples: discuss cases where predictive policing has been implemented, such as in Los Angeles or Chicago, and the controversies that have arisen. Consider the ethical implications of relying on AI for law enforcement and the potential for systemic bias. AI in the legal system. Explanation: AI is also being used in the legal system to assist with tasks like legal research, contract analysis, and even sentencing. Discuss how AI can enhance efficiency in legal processes but also the risks of relying on algorithms in matters of justice. Examples: highlight examples of AI being used in legal tech, such as Ross Intelligence for legal research or Compass for sentencing decisions. Discuss the potential for AI to introduce bias into the legal system and the importance of human oversight. AI and the digital divide and AI access. Explanation: discuss how AI might deepen the digital divide, where access to AI technologies is unevenly distributed across different regions and socio-economic groups. This can lead to a widening gap between those who can benefit from AI and those who cannot. Examples: explore the disparity in AI access between developed and developing countries, and the efforts to democratize AI technology. Consider the role of international organizations and governments in ensuring equitable access to AI's benefits. AI and language barriers. Explanation: AI has the potential to bridge language barriers through translation technologies, but it also risks leaving out less widely spoken languages. Discuss the importance of developing AI that supports linguistic diversity. Examples: highlight AI-driven translation tools like Google Translate and the challenges they face in accurately translating less common languages. Discuss efforts to create AI models that are inclusive of all languages and dialects. AI in crisis management and humanitarian aid, AI in disaster response. Explanation: AI is being used to enhance disaster response by predicting natural disasters, optimizing relief efforts, and coordinating resources. AI can analyze data from various sources to provide real-time insights during a crisis. Examples: discuss AI applications in earthquake conclusion. Recap of key points, summarize the importance, challenges, and future potential of AI. Reinforce the idea that AI is both a tool for progress and a field requiring careful ethical consideration. Call to action: encourage viewers to stay informed about AI developments and consider the ethical implications of AI in their own lives. Invite viewers to engage with the content by sharing their thoughts and questions.